Yeah, who is going to summarize here?
Don't care topics in SOP and POS form in KMAP.
So we went through with, I think we finished your SOP don't care, then I think went for POS, correct now?
Yes, sir. We did 2 problems on POS form.
I think I told I will give a problem, but I didn't, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me give in one shot, not an issue. So any doubts, anyone, till your SOP, POS and don't care condition of each? So I think we finished 3 variable, 4 variable.
Sure.
So we have one more concept that we will deal today. So before that, any doubts, anyone with mapping? Any doubts, anyone with the mapping, how to do the grouping concept? If anybody have doubt, you can discuss. So today we will deal with one more important topic. So 5 variable. So 24 are there. Okay, I will just wait one more minute. Yeah, any doubts, anyone? Till the last class, what we completed? See, unless until you solve, you won't get doubts here. Okay, so we'll wind that POS topic, one last problem. Then let me proceed with the next topic. So still I find only 28 are there. Let me wait. So read on. So try to solve this and we'll wind this. Read on the question. So you need to simplify the following. Simplify the following. So they're given 4 variables for you. A, B, C and D. Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So function, they are given 4 variable function. So you need to simplify. You need to simplify. They are given pi. So what is pi indicates?
Max term.
Max
POS.
term. Good. So you need to worry about this max term now. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 11 plus. So what is D indicates? What is D indicates?
Don't
Don't care. Yeah. So this is a given question. To everyone. 4, 5, 10. Don't care, they're given 2 and 10. So how many cells KMAP you want now?
16 cells.
How many cell KMAP you want? 16 cells. Okay. So make a table. The question extends. Also plot the logic diagram. Also plots the logic diagram. Yeah. So can you tell me simplified expression for this?
Excuse me, sir.
So first make a table. Yeah.
The screen is invisible.
It's not visible.
Sir, blurring.
Just check out now.
Okay, sir.
Is it fine?
Sir.
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So let me plot KMAP for this. So 4 cross 4, so 16 cells. Plot a K-map of 16 cells, number it. So inputs A, B, C, D. See, if they give capital letters as a variable, go with capital letters. If they give small letter, go with small letter. Okay. You should act according to the question. If they give PQRS here, don't take ABCD here. So completely wrong. So if example is of XYZ, don't take PQR here. So read the
Sir, your
question
voice is
carefully.
breaking, sir.
Now am I audible here? Is it audible now? Yeah, others check out. Yeah, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe whenever you get network glitches, it will happen. You just check out. If it there, you just tell me. I'll repeat once more. Okay. So am I clear what I told? So I want everyone to make sure such that what? Such that questions should be read carefully. If the variables are ABCD, so take same ABCD here. Okay. So let me finish this. 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it visible what I'm writing? What I'm writing, is it visible here?
Sir, video is breaking, sir.
Video is breaking.
It's fine now.
Yeah, just pin it here. You
Yeah,
just
it's
pin it.
good.
Yeah, you just pin it. If something comes, no, it won't move. Just pin it. Yeah.
No.
So now we made a cell. So can you tell me where the you have to fill? The zeros here. So 0 is then yeah, is it audible? Am I audible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So then 5 is 0, 8 is 0, 9 is 0, 11 is 0. So then how many don't care conditions will there? 2 and 10. So where is 2? 2 is here, we need to mark X, and 10 is here, mark X. Yeah, now tell me. So I told you the logic, right? How to do the groupings. So try maximum from 8, because grouping of 8 to reduce the variables as much as possible. If not possible with weight, that is your octa, go to 4, that is your quad. For check out the possibilities, if quad is there, do it. Otherwise, come to pair. If not pair, come to single grouping. So this is what the stage. So if you go with 8, 4, 2, 1 combination, so the combination will give you as much as reduced expression. Okay. Yeah. How to group this now? How many groups? How many groups?
2 quad.
So we have 2 quads. Agree everyone?
Quad,
So
sir.
quad is at this junction. Correct? And I can take quad at this junction. Correct? Huh? Do you want this?
No, sir.
No need, right? Because we have already completed complete elements. Okay. So this is what it looks. So what is the expression for this now? So here A bar, B bar is there, and here A bar, B is there, and here C bar, D bar, and C bar, D. So common term. Is it A bar, C bar? You want to write A bar, C bar?
A bar plus C bar.
Yeah. See, I hope you don't remember. See, I'm writing the things purposefully. I told you should not write A bar, B bar. How to write this?
A bar plus.
What is the logic I told? If it is A bar, B bar in your SOP form, it POS, it look like what?
A plus B.
Correct? Huh? So from that logic, what is the expression now for this quad? First quad? I wrote answer also, right? A bar, C bar means what you should write?
A plus C.
A plus
A
C,
plus
sir.
C. Good. So you got A plus C as this. What about next squad? So this squad.
A
Yeah.
bar plus B.
A
A bar
bar
plus B.
A
For this you'll get A bar plus B. Everyone agree with this? Everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone? Is it fine? Is it fine? So for this you can plot logic diagram, right? Everyone done? So for this expression you can get the logical diagram. So am I clear with this, everyone? You got the concept of this POS and SOP? Any doubts,
Yes, sir.
anyone? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is not necessary to use the don't care Excel.
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ?
Sir, ಅದು don't care condition X ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಇದಾ?
ಅದೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
No, whenever you have a term like this, for example, assume that there was a term like this, then you can take this and this combination as squad. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir, but can we leave that without grouping, sir?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
See, if you group it, how it looks.
Just one
Can't see.
single.
You can't do only don't care. That is what we did in your SOP also, right? Individual means no need to worry. Representing is fine. See, ultimate goal is what? I need to reduce the expression as much as possible. Correct now?
Yes.
If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to consider that means I can consider this and this. That is possible, right?
Yes sir.
Is it clear?
Yes
So
sir.
we'll get one extra element, that's all, nothing else. So we'll try as much as possible reduction. If not, you can write it also. Okay, now? Is it fine here?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now we'll go with the next important topic. See, in the K map, you have syllabus wise, you have 3 variable, 4 variable, and 5 variable also. So today we will deal with that main concept, how to solve a K map whenever 5 variables are given. So whenever 5 variables are given. Okay. So before going for 5 variables, so let me clearly mention the difference between your 3, 4 and 5. Then let me proceed. So assume that K map is for 3 variable, right? So how the process will be? So function will be given in terms of ABC. This need not be ABC, it can be XYZ also, PQR also, whatever it is, that should be considered. Is it fine? So for this, what is the truth table? So if I say, okay, let me write this also. If I say 3 variables, how many combinations here?
8 combinations.
8 combinations, correct? So for that purpose, you wrote a truth table starting from 000 and ending with 111. So this is what the concept for 3 variable. Am I clear? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we went with 4 variable also. We went through with 4 variable also. So how many inputs you have? How many variables?
4 inputs.
4 variables. So how many combinations now?
16.
16.
16.
16 combinations. Okay.
16.
So 16 combinations. You started from 4 zeros and ended with 4 ones.
4
Correct?
ones.
So for this, you will be having a K map of 8 cells. You will be having a K map of 8 cells, and for this, you will be having a K map of
16 cells.
16 cells.
16 cells.
So any doubts, anyone till here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
this two is what we did till now. Same way in the syllabus, there is one more concept called as phi variable. Phi variable. So this is very important. It's very important. It's same way, but slight change is there. That is what we'll deal today's class. Okay. So if I say phi variable means how many variables you should have? So you should have A, B, C, D, and E. So can I call such kind of things as phi variable? Everyone, is it
Yes,
fine?
sir. Yes.
Okay. So then, like this, how many combination you can expect? 2,
30.
4, 5 is how much?
32.
32.
Good. 32. So you need to have a 32 combinations. Now the question is, do we have a K-map of 32 cells or 5 variable? So the answer is no. So you don't have a K-map for 5 variables. Then how to solve? But that is there in the syllabus, right? Then we have something to be done so that we can solve this. Can anyone tell me how we can proceed now? We went through with 3 variable, we went through with 4 variable. Now we are going with respect to your 5 variable. Okay. So 5 variable I told. So 32 combinations what we have. So but I told in K-map 32 combination is not possible. So what are the possibilities we can make use now? I want answer from your side. What can be done? What can be done? No one? So if you don't have option of 32 cells K-map, what can be done? Just think, yeah. Your answer is there on the board only. What you can do? No one? You are thinking the answer or you are waiting me to tell? Which one I should think? Respond, yeah. Nobody is there? Say at least yes or no, at least I can proceed. I will think that you are thinking the answer. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, listen. See, we need 32, but I told that in K-map, your Karnaugh map is not applied to 5 variables in one shot like this. So what can be done? Can I split this 32 to 216 cells? Is that possible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what can be done now? I need to make use of 216 cells that become 32, correct now? Is it not? So then how the truth table will be? So if I write a variables A, B, C, D, E. See earlier you got to know how to write truth tables for each. So this was your A, B, C, you wrote A, B, C, D, you wrote. Now I need to write for A, B, C, D, E. So how it looks? It starts from 5 zeros and it ends at 5 ones. Agree? Correct na yeah? Is it not? I need to start with 5 zeros and end with 5 ones. Okay. Is it not? So what
Yes,
I told, so totally you will be having 32 combinations. Totally you will be having 32 combinations. In that, I need to split to what? 216 part. So if I say this is 0, then from 0 to 15 is one combination. 0 to 15 is one combination. Okay. So what is done? I'll just mention here. So 15 for this is like this. So 0 with all 4 on is called 15. Then from here, from this junction till your 1 1, you will be having next 16 combinations. The next 16 combinations. Is it not? 32 table look like this. Start with 0. So 15 zeros followed by 15 ones. Then look at this. If we just look at this, is it not a 4 cross 4 table now? Look at here. Is it a 4x4 table, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do, you need to fill 15 zeros, 15 ones in that A. It means what? Your A is having two values, either 0 or 1. First table completely 0, next table completely 1. So this is what the logic you need to follow whenever you're going to plot a K-map of 5 variables. Am I clear till here, everyone? Am I clear till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So anybody wants me to repeat once more what I told?
No, sir.
Anyone? Shall I
No.
proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See, now I made this table and I told clearly that what? You can make use of two. I'll just write smallly here. Later we'll go in detail. So this is 116 and parallelly I'm going to take one more 16. Okay. So what I told? I'm going to make one A as 0 and one A as 1. Correct now? The first table which is having 16 cells from 0 to 15, let me consider A is equal to 0. And next from 16 to 31, nothing but next 16. So A will be 1. So remaining your BC, DE will be here. BC, DE will be here. So have you got the alignment first of all, everyone? Have you got till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let me explain how this 5 variable works. So see this table I have made clearly the comparison between your 3, 4 and 5. This is what you have in the syllabus. Okay. Maybe till 3 variables starting from canonical along with your Boolean expression you will get 1 full marks. Then from 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable and next Quinn-McCluskey. That is last topic. For that you may get 20 more marks. So totally you will get 2 full questions of 40 marks. Whichever you know that you can attempt. Okay. So now let me go with the first example of 5 variable. So just have a mindset. You should have a 216 cells combination to perform a 5 variable K-map Boolean expression. Okay. So let me go with the example. Then we will deal the logic. Wrote on the question here. Wrote on the question. Reduce the following. Reduce the following using K-map. Reduce the following using K-map. That's all. That is what the given question. See, by seeing the question, you should judge whether it belongs to SOP form or POS form. Okay. So the question is given. The first question. 5 variable. 5 variables.
Breaking, sir.
K-map. So, but there should be. Yeah.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
One set, just one set. Let me wait for network. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am writing a question still. So 5 variable A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So they are given summation. So they are not mentioning M also. They are given summation. So understood it is a part of what?
Min term.
Min term. Good. So write on the question what they are given. I'll just tell the questions here. So the given numbers are 0, 1. So let's try to understand the things first. 1, 4. Okay. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. If it is not visible, you tell me here, I will expand that and write 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 27 and 31. So is it visible what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
So question is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. See, by seeing the question only you can judge it is a 5 variable and it is a part of your SOP, minterm. So you need to fill this with zeros, right? So what you should do, understand carefully steps. Listen everyone, later you can copy or write. So what is the first thing you should make? You need to get how many cells you want. So since it is a 5 variable, 2 power n means 2 power 5, 32. So I should have 32 concept, right? So 32 variables I should have means I should have
16 cells.
16 cells. So let me plot first. Everyone, let's listen first. So I'll give time for it, right? Not an issue. I want you to understand the things. Okay. So here what I told clearly. So A is equals to 0. And then left out is B, C and D. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Correct? Same logic. Okay, now. So likewise, let me write parallel to this. One more 16-bit. Zero, zero, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now. So no need to write the things here because it's already understood. Okay. So I don't mark anything. This is enough. So this is understood. So parallel you can analyze now. Right? Now what I want? I want numbering, right? So same way, first table you fill 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, not here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. See, if anybody have doubt on what basis I am writing this cell number, you can just check out here. What is the equivalent of 5 in binary? What is the equivalent of 5 in binary for 4 variable?
1001.
Hey, 4
Hey,
variable.
1001.
Cut up.
Yes, sir.
5 means 0101. Check out here. For 5, 0101. Is it matching? 0101 is 5. If I say 7, it is 0111. Correct? So 0, 1 and double 1. Combination is Artha aita pa ivaga?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then after this, it's a continuation. It is not separate. Again, don't write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. You need to start with 0, end with 31. So you need to start with here 16, same 17, 18, 19. Continuation. Nothing ended. 15 ended here, 16, 17. Okay. Then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So any doubts, anyone till here? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So what is the condition for this table now? A should be equals to
1.
1. I told you now from the truth table, first 16 combinations you make A as 0 and next 16 combinations make A as 1. So this is how we can solve the 5 variable K-map. Otherwise, there is no possibility to solve because I told there is no 5 variable K-map. So any doubts anyone till here? Is it fine? Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just listen now. So before going for this problem, so let me teach you clearly how to write an equation, right? So assume that, just an example, not this, what I given. Just assume that in this position, in this 30th cell, there is 1. There is 1. Then how the equation will be. So if this is 1, what is the expression now? Can anyone tell me? If this is 1, how to write the expression? Anyone? Shall I continue? Shall I? Say something here. If we say like this, what I should understand? I will think you are thinking for tell the answer. Will you tell or shall we continue? See, no response only. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So shall I continue or you tell the answer is a question?
Continue.
Continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, listen. Listen here. Whenever you take this as to picture, whenever 1 is here, it is applied for this also, it's applied for this also, correct? So since it is a single term, and this table belongs to 0, for A equals to 0. So what is the complement of A equal to 0 means? It should be A bar. Correct, na? A equal to 0 means what? A bar, agree? Then followed by this, BC, followed by this, D bar E. So this is how you need to write an expression if it is a 5 variable. Am I clear? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we don't go to the problem, just wait. Don't go to the problem. I want the things to be cleared here itself. Okay. So I want you to write now. So assume that I have given 1 here and 1 here. Yeah. For this 1 here and this 1 here, can you plot the equation for me? Plot the equation. I want you to analyze the things. What is the expression for this? Yeah, others.
Sir, A bar, B bar, C, E
So
plus
since that belong to first table, we will start with A bar. Good. Next, A bar, B bar, C, D, E. Correct?
Plus
Plus
A, B bar, C bar,
B bar, E.
A, B bar, C bar,
D bar, E.
D bar,
Bar,
E.
E.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is one type. Fine. So assume that I will give ones now. Just look at here. Yeah, listen here. If ones are there in this fashion, yeah. If one is at cell number 12 and one is at cell number 28. Yeah, now tell me the equation. What is first one?
So can we pair them, sir?
Yenappa?
Can we pair them, sir?
No, you can't pair. See, we will check out. See, actually, listen here. Whenever you see the same cell, so the logic is on this original cell, this is overlapping. On this cell, this is overlapping. Correct, na? See, what your friend told is correct. We can do combination of these two. Agree? Yes or no? If I place this on this and this, both are same or not?
Same, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? We will prove.
Yes.
See, we will try to prove individually now. So what your friend told, pairing. So what is the expression now? So if you take these two as same, what is the expression? Can you tell me? What is the expression here?
A bar, B
These
bar,
two
C
pairing.
bar, D bar, A
So
bar.
this is kept constant. So your BC is as it is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will write, let's analyze later. So BC will write as it is. Then from this two,
D
the
bar,
common
E bar.
term,
D bar, D bar, E bar.
so completely D bar,
Bar.
E bar.
bar.
Correct? Ah?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, do you have this also?
No.
Is equal to
No.
1.
No, actually we will write. It is like A bar into A.
A
So we
bar.
know that A bar into A is 1 as we already proved. Correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you got the logic,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now listen. See, assume that I didn't know that both are same. If I write separately, what happens? Let's see. That is also possibility is there, right? So if I write separately for this, what is the expression?
A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C.
Just one second. Yeah, separately. So I will take A bar. Amal.
B, C.
BC.
BC.
D bar, E bar.
D bar.
D bar,
For
E
this,
bar.
correct? Then plus. What about this?
A,
B,
B
C.
bar,
A.
BC.
D bar, E bar.
D
D
bar.
bar, E bar.
Right? So can we compare some common terms are there? Do you have any common terms there?
B, C,
Can
D
anyone
bar.
tell me the common terms from this two?
B, C, D bar.
D bar, E bar.
D bar, E bar.
D bar.
D
E bar
bar,
is
E bar.
common. Agree? What is left out?
A bar,
A bar
What
plus
is A bar plus A equals to?
1.
1.
What is the thing you got?
B, C, D bar, E bar.
C.
What we got earlier?
Same, sir.
Understood? See what is happening here? We are doing time waste here. Correct, na? We are writing separately. Then simple. Yeah, is it fine? Is it audible? I think call is coming. I just cut it. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone got the logic. So whenever you have a common term, so what you should do now? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let me come back to problem now. See, we have just analyzed the logic, how to deal. So I told you clearly, common term means directly you can write, and wherever you write A bar, no need to write that A bar. It is equal to 1 only, and don't make it as 0. If you make it as 0, complete term becomes 0 only, right? So let me come back to the problem now. So this is what the basic things you should understand whenever you deal with pi variable. Yeah. Now can you fill the table? So you have to fill ones or zeros.
Once.
Because this is for min term summation. Okay. So now let me write 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 4 is 1, then 8 is 1, 9 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 1. So from this table, right? 16, 17, then 19, then 20, 21, 23, 27, 31. Right? So this is how it looks. Everyone? Anything I missed here?
No, sir.
Did I miss anything?
No, sir. Clear.
So 0, 4. Yeah, I think I missed 5. I just add here. 5 is also there. And the question is just add 5 is also there. 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 19. Okay, remaining all correct. So only 5 is missing. So it means here also 1 will come. Agree na? Now I want answers from you. Tell me how many groupings can be done.
4 quad.
How many quads you have?
4 quads.
Will you get 4 quads?
Yes, sir.
Just think and tell. See, I told you need to start with the higher end, octa. Octa is there, then quad, then binary, pairing, then single. So what I told,
Octa.
look at here. So according to you, this is one quad. Agree?
One octa, sir.
Sir, 1 of 2 quad.
So this is octa, right? This is not quad.
One octa.
What I told, place this on this. So is it overlapping?
Yes, sir.
Both are same. Agree, yeah, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me expression for that particularly? So this is A equal to 0, A equals to 1. So that won't come to picture only because both tables have merged now. So common term from these two.
B bar and D bar.
So you can take this
B
as
bar.
first equation. Yeah. So common
D
term
bar,
is
D
D bar. Then
D
D
bar,
bar.
D bar,
D bar.
D bar.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲರಪ್ಪ how I wrote? How many are doubts how I wrote this? Any doubts anyone till you?
No, sir.
Understood? Yeah. Now tell me. So what about this?
Quad.
Is it your next octa na quad?
Quad.
Only quad, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
same thing is not here. If it is there completely in 3, 7, 15, 1, I can tell both as octa because overlap agutte. But now that is separate. So equation for this is second now.
Yes,
Second. Yeah.
AD.
Here this part completely
AD.
goes off, right? But what I should consider?
A.
18.
A. So don't forget that
A is equal
A
to-
is there because A is only for this table. When you got this answer, we are clubbing both. So A into A bar was 1. That's why I didn't took A in that picture. Now A is there, then
AD.
is it DE?
Yes, sir.
Hey, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೀಯನ್ರೋ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Then what is left out?
One more quad.
Another quad.
So this is also one part.
Yes, sir.
So what is this expression
A.
now? So
A bar,
A bar, BC bar.
So you'll get A
BC.
bar plus A bar.
BC bar.
BC bar.
BC bar.
A bar is there, then B,
BC bar.
BC bar.
C bar. So is it what the expression for your 5 variable K map? Any doubts? Anyone till you?
No, sir.
So have I made the things clear for you how to take the expression for 5 variable? I want answers from your side. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just finish it off. You just finish it off. I will give next problem for you to solve. So is it done? So any doubts, anyone? Yeah, Ritvik, you are there. 18T11. Ritvik. Am I audible, man, Ritvik? Okay. Yeah. Others done?
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed for next one?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, shall I go for next?
Yes, sir.
Now, I think what we have went through and try to write the expression. Slow down. They are given the function PQRST 5 variable. Okay, see I already told you if they give ABCD, go with ABCD. If they give XYZ with that or PQR with that. So don't change the expression, right? So they are given summation. So values are given for you. Write down the values 0, 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 23, 24. Yeah, is it audible? Yeah. 26, 27, 28. So question is visible?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve this now. Solve this. Combine. Anyone got the answer? Anyone short? So this is P equals to 0, P equals to 1, Q R S T. Yeah. Anyone got the answer? Am I audible here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anyone got the answer?
Sir, two quad,
One
octa,
octa.
Okay, fine.
one
Let me
octa,
fill the things.
one quad
Okay,
and
let
one
me
kit.
fill the things first. So 0 is 1, then 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, then 16, 18, 20, 23, 24 is here, 25, 26, 27, 28. Is it all things?
Sir.
So what I wrote, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Everyone done? Till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So after filling this, what I told, if you place this on this, so I can tell this 4 and this 4 are same.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Octa.
Correct? Correct, no? So you can make this and this combination as 1. What is the equation? So I can take it as first one.
D
Yeah,
bar,
can
A
you be
bar.
expression here?
D bar, A bar.
Pardon?
S
D
bar.
bar, A bar.
Yes, sir.
T bar.
Yeah, I told you
Sir,
clearly,
S bar.
don't write A bar, B bar again. So it should be with PQRS. So 0, 0, 0, 0. I think both zeros are commonly, right? So what is left out?
S
Yes,
bar.
bar, T bar.
S bar, T bar. So everyone done till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Quad.
Where is the quad? This one?
16,
16,
18, 4, 24, 26,
18. Yeah,
24,
tell. 16,
Okay,
18,
sir.
then.
24, 26.
24, 26. That's all?
And 0, 2,
Yes, sir.
8, 10.
Yes.
Sir, another
Correct.
octa, sir.
What telling is correct. See, all the corners can be equal to octa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I make this corner, this corner, this corner, this
Sir.
corner, this corner, this corner, this? Is it octa?
11,
Yes,
as
sir.
Pardon?
I think correct.
Correct, my yaar. See what I told. If you place this on this, all the edges is having 1. All the 4 square is having 1. So this 4 ones, this 4 ones. Can it be octa?
Sir.
See, that's why I told, analyze the thing, don't write blindly. First check out the possibilities. See, combinations I told clearly. First search for octa. Then, if not there, go for your quad. Then go for your pair, then go for single. Why? Because from octa, expression will be as less as possible. So now I can take all these 4 corners as 1 octa. Everyone,
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
equation
Yes, sir.
helchina?
R bar, T
Equation
bar.
helchina?
T bar.
On the
R bar, T
corners. So from this, it's Q bar, R bar. Then Q
So-
R bar.
QR bar. Yes, sir.
So from this common term,
R
R
bar,
bar.
R bar.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
T
T
bar.
bar.
T bar.
So R bar,
T
T
bar.
bar, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
More
sir.
quads, sir.
That's all right. No, for this equation, let me complete. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
After taking
Sir.
all 4, is it understood, everyone?
Sir.
Understood.
Okay, good. Next. Can I take this complete 4 as 1?
Quad.
Yes, sir. One.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
So that is one equation. So I will call it as equation number 3. Head equation.
Q R bar.
Q, R
So you
bar.
don't forget to put P here. Because for this particular table, P should be considered. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is the equation of P?
PQ.
Q, R bar.
PQ R bar.
Q R bar.
R bar.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then anything is left out?
One pair, sir.
Is this two are same?
Yes, sir.
So that can be a pair. Correct now?
Yeah.
So what is the expression for that now? So from this,
Q
from
bar,
this,
R, S. Q bar, Q bar, R.
this is what?
R, S, T.
0, 0,
Q
0,
bar
0.
R.
Q bar R. Correct now? So can I Q bar R?
Yes.
S, T.
Yes, T.
S, T.
So from these two, common term is
Yes, T.
S, T.
S T.
common term. So is it ST?
Yes, sir.
Is it ST?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can write Q bar R S T. See, so this is the way to analyze a 5-variable schema. So what thing is written? Is that clear to everyone? Is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts, anyone with this still?
No, sir.
See, if you understand the logic, you pick whichever textbook you want, then you can solve the problem. Logic is this only. Whichever problem you take, it doesn't change. So maybe some problem will be with respect to pi. That time you need to group zeros. Then few problems they may add don't care condition like what we saw earlier. Then x will be there. How it is solved? Same way. Only logic you should check out is one over the other. You should overlap and make sure you search for octa first. If it is not there, then your quad, then pair, then single. So am I clear till here? Everyone, am I clear till here? So any doubts? Anyone till here?
Yes, sir.
So if anybody have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will give 2 problems for you to solve. So then we'll continue tomorrow. So is that fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You read on 2 questions as assignment. So earlier assignment I will post in the group maybe tomorrow after tomorrow's class. So by tomorrow I want everyone to understand 5-variable. So if you have doubt, you will repeat 5-variable. Then we will go for the next concept, Quinn-McCluskey. So any doubts, anyone? You can ask. So otherwise, we'll write 2 assignment questions now. Read on. So they are given numbers for you. So ABCD is a parameter. ABCD is the parameter. So they are given again. See, this depends upon your zeros and ones. Okay. So 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21, 22, 23, 29, 31. So this is one question. 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21, 22, 23, 29, 31. Barkondra. So you take one more and we'll stop here. Yeah. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Written the question, everyone? So second one. Second question. So function again A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So in this question, instead of giving a min term, they are given expression of min term. So the questions, write on the question. A bar B, C bar D, E bar. So is it visible what I am writing? Everyone? A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Kanastendro? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus, just record what I'm writing at the end. Is it visible? A, B, C bar, D bar, E bar. Is it visible, everyone? So what I wrote till there, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue. Plus A, B bar, C bar, D, E plus A bar, B, C, D bar plus A bar, B, C, D bar, E plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar Then you have A bar, B bar, C, D plus AB, C bar, D, E bar, and last is AB, C bar, D. So this complete term order out, is it visible? So 3 plus 3 plus 3. So to 10 variables are there in the expression. Yeah, 10 are there. So I hope you don't know how to write this in a numbering. Do you know or not? Shall I give one example? Question barkundra.
Yes,
So
sir.
question is written, everyone. I will just show one small thing how to fill this. So A equals 0, A equals 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So what about, is it visible here?
Can you tell the last two terms, sir?
Everyone?
Sir, last two terms.
Idapa, this one?
Yes, sir, last
These
two.
two? Okay, I will repeat from only last two. A, B, C bar, D, E. A, B, C bar, D, E bar plus A, B, C bar, D, E. A, B, C bar, D, E. Others, is it fine? Is it visible?
So,
So what I wrote, is it visible here?
No, sir.
Now it's blurred, sir.
blur, sir.
No, huh?
No,
Now it's
sir.
blurred.
Okay, I will tell the question, just make it right. Okay, so from the beginning I will tell. So question starts from 5 variables A, B, C, D equals to A bar, B, C bar, D, E bar. Is this done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D, E. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Third term. A, B, C bar, D bar, E bar.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
A, B, C bar, E bar. Next, A, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C bar, D, E. Is it done till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next. A bar, B, C, D, E bar. A bar, B, C, D, E bar. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next. Shall I- The next one is A bar, B bar, E bar. So all complements for all 5. Complement for all 5 variables. Is it done till here?
Yes, sir.
Next. A bar, B bar, C, D, E. A bar, B bar, C, D, E. So the last two terms, A, B, C bar, D, E bar. A, B, C bar, D, E bar. And last one is A, B, C bar, D, E. A, B, C bar, D, E. Question ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಈಗ? Am I clear? Everyone, question is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just listen now. I'll just show you one with A and one with A bar, how to write an equation and how to write one in this box. Remaining you can fill. Okay. So if you take this term, the term is A bar, B bar, C bar, D, E. So you know how to find that? How to write? Listen here. See, whenever the expressions are given in terms of these numbers, you are filled easily. But whenever they are given expression like this, how to deal, just analyze. I will tell few things you can do for later part of others. Okay. So first thing is, in this part A bar is there. So A bar belongs to which table?
A is
This
equal.
table. So this is a table for A bar. Agree here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next terms are B bar, C bar. Search where is B bar, C bar. So is this your B bar, C bar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then followed by DE. So where is DE? So this is your DE. So what I should fill? For A bar table, wherever you find B bar, C bar, DE, fill with 1. Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me take one with A. Now tell me for this. So A means it belongs to this table. It belongs to this table. So search where is B, C bar. Where is B, C bar? Is this B, C bar? Correct? Huh? It means it should be in this last row. Followed by D,
D bar,
E
E
bar.
bar.
Where is D, E bar? Is this D, E bar?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where I should fill one now? D, C bar and D, E bar. So let's fill one here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you need to complete this and enter, then group, reduce the expression. So is it clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. So you finish up these two problems. So tomorrow, if you have any doubt with this 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable K map, we will deal. After that, we will go for next Quinn McLaren. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So enter your USN number in the conversation and you can leave. So USN number 102 is there. 102 is there. 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present 102.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
So just tell.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Ritvik, you are there, man. 18 Telecom 11. Ritvik, you are there. So namesake is present here. So USA number 7, 8, 9,
Present.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
110 present, sir.
14. Yeah, given.
14 present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21 is not there. 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, 28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30, 31 is not there. 32,
Yes, sir. Present.
34,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
then Telecom 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3, 4,
Present, sir.
and 5.
Present, sir.
Yeah, I think except this Ritvik, all are there. He has logged in, went off. Okay, fine. Yeah, enter your user number in the chat box and you can leave. So see you tomorrow.